Hello. Challenging, if not life-threatening weather conditions to contend with across parts of northwestern and central Europe in the next 48 hours or so. In both instances, it's thanks to low pressure. This is Storm Bella coming into the northwest. This area of low pressure here sinking into the central Med does start to weaken somewhat on into Sunday. The winds across the western side of the Med ease off, but a strong Bora, particularly across Croatia, could prove particularly damaging. Looking much quieter ahead of that for the majority of Turkey and for Cyprus, although we will see some showers getting into the west here later in the day. But a wet story across Greece and particularly for the Balkans, and some very heavy snowfall to boot. It is a case of lighter winds across the western side of the Mediterranean on Sunday, but then we need to catch up with Bella towards the northwest. Widespread gales across the northwest of Europe, wet and wintry weather, and Bella then, the remnants of, sink down towards the Alps. A metre of snow across the Alps quite easily possible Sunday into Monday, and a wintry outlook across parts of France and well into Germany too. We're still continuing with more windy and wintry weather also for Scandinavia in the days ahead. You can see how the temperatures really come down after it's been so mild across northwestern Europe. Showers though clearing Rome by the time we get to the middle of the week, looking largely fine for Athens. Hello. Through the next 12 to 24 hours, we'll see a deep area of low pressure clearing from the northeast of the US and eastern Canada. Still some strong winds in the short time, though, for the Maritimes. Some significant lake effect snow, particularly for Lake Ontario, areas downwind, I should say, of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. But that whole system is going to pull off into the Atlantic. We then need, though, to cast our eyes towards the northern plains because another low is set to deepen here quite rapidly, and it will follow a very similar track into the northeast late Sunday into Monday. Other areas of low pressure coming into the Pacific Northwest. I mean, more snow for British Columbia and Alberta into the northern Rockies on Saturday. Looking wet through the west coast, and eventually we'll see, I think, maybe a few showers even as far south as Los Angeles. And something of a fall in temperatures too as that more unsettled weather arrives. Just 15 degrees Celsius for LA with some rainfall on Monday. And then we go across to the east coast, and still, as you saw, very windy from the northeast, although the conditions improving on those we've seen across New England. The east coast, as we make our way for the south down into the Carolinas and Florida, should see some decent sunshine on Saturday. A bit of a hang back of cloud across southern Florida, though, and down into the Keys. And for Miami, the prospects are brighter for Sunday and Monday, but temperatures a little slow to recover. Hello. In recent days, there has been very little let-up in the rainfall across southeastern Brazil. Flash flooding affecting some regions. Unfortunately, the area of showers here isn't set to abate in any hurry either. Perhaps the rain a little lighter on Saturday, but I suspect in the course of the next 48 hours, a few hundred more millimetres of rain could fall in some areas. We're also anticipating some heavier rain across parts of Peru and Bolivia through the weekend. Again, the knock-on effects here are likely to be flash flooding. Very scattered, any showers making their way generally through to the northeast coast of Brazil. However, looks like we could see some showers further south for Florianopolis on Saturday, but still a lot of dry weather through the River Plate region. Sunshine there in Buenos Aires. In terms of our outlook, still looking pretty unsettled for Rio even to the beginning of the new week, but hopefully from Tuesday onwards, the prospects will become drier and brighter. For Central America, some heavy showers affecting Nicaragua, Honduras and Guatemala on Saturday, all the way down into Costa Rica. And this is the tail end of a frontal system pulling away from the US. A punchy system, some showers affecting parts of Cuba, Haiti and the Dominican Republic. But after that clears through, I think we will see things becoming generally much drier and brighter for Havana in the week ahead. Hello. There's a risk of flash flooding for northern Madagascar in the next couple of days, courtesy of this area of low pressure here, which is Tropical Storm Charlene, pushing its way slowly across northern Madagascar. We will see, I think, a couple of hundred millimetres of rain in some spots, strong winds and a notable storm surge as well. The system is then set to push out into the Mozambique Channel and track towards central Mozambique for the middle part of the week ahead. Further north, a deep area of low pressure sinking down into the Mediterranean will turn things more unsettled along the north coast in the coming days. Some chilly northerly winds here and some showers moving through. Johannesburg in line for increasing amounts of sunshine towards the end of the week. There go the showers into Tunis though and Algiers in the days ahead. Some showers sinking their way south across the Middle East on Sunday. This weather feature, though, weakening on its way south with some cool air tucking in behind it for the likes of Baghdad. We could see a few showers, I think, as far east as Kuwait in the short term. But for Saudi Arabia, by the time that system gets into Riyadh, probably nothing more than cloud come Monday. We'll see perhaps a bit more cloud just feeding into the coast of Yemen and Oman from time to time too. But generally lots of sunshine across the region. Those showers clearing Kuwait for Monday. Hello. The weather picture across India is looking fairly quiet for the next few days. A lot of clear sky here on our satellite picture. Apologies for this white area. That is a data outage. But if you could see towards the northwest, what you would see is a weather system that's going to graze its way down across Afghanistan into northern Pakistan in the next 24 hours. What that will eventually do is pull some colder air into northern India for the start of the new week. To the south, there is a chance of a few showers too, as we see rain really coming together across Sri Lanka and pushing its way westwards. But essentially, we are looking at a dry picture. Some showers of snow across southern Kazakhstan, and again for the Hindu Kush, we will see, I think, perhaps some snow across northernmost Pakistan. It will be rain that runs towards Islamabad, but colder air following on behind that system, just 12 degrees in Islamabad on Sunday. Plenty of sunshine as promised for the lion's share of India, looking a little quieter across the Maldives too, but cloud across southern India could manifest a few showers across parts of Tamil Nadu. Still a lot of fine weather for Bangladesh and Nepal. In terms of the outlook, big drop in temperatures for Nur Sultan. By the end of the week, Kabul gets a little milder and should look a lot clearer. Elsewhere, we still have plenty of sunshine to come for Dhaka, but I think showers will begin to return to Male from Wednesday. Hello. In the short term, we're going to see some unseasonably mild weather across eastern China and for the Korean Peninsula as we see a weather system pushing up from the south, but it will bring some heavy rain into southern Japan. For the south still, the monsoon very active across Indonesia. Lots of showers crowding into the Philippines, potentially an area of low pressure developing here. But here is the weather system which pushes across Taiwan into southern Japan on Sunday. Some showers for southernmost Korea as well, but temperatures in double figures there for Seoul. But that figure will come down dramatically as we go into our outlook period. It does look drier for Vietnam and Thailand on Sunday. Still, though, plenty of showers for Singapore and across Indonesia. There's that big plunge in temperatures for Seoul and Beijing as we go on into the week ahead. More showers for Manila, but drier from Tuesday. Still showers affecting many northern reaches of Australia. A cluster of potentially heavier ones for northern Queensland on Sunday. Locally heavy showers too across New South Wales. This weather front coming into the southeast will bring cooler air for the start of the new week. And New Zealand, stuck with a cool southwesterly airstream, will see temperatures struggling to reach average values in the next few days. And it will often be rather windy and unsettled here too, with some showers particularly making their way into the south.